Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: nested if statement in Python branching control structure. So first of all, what is this control structure? So control means condition. Structure means indented block of code. So coming to the definition, it goes like this: executing an indented block of code based on a condition is called control structure. So now coming to nested if. Okay, so using one if condition or if statement inside another if statement or inside another else statement, then it is called as nested if. If within if or if within else. So if within if or if within else. So the syntax goes like this. So here I'm using if condition indented block of code inside another if condition 1. So if both the condition 1, condition 2 are true, then only this inner if condition indented block of code is executed. So this is nested if or inner if. Okay, right. So if the condition 1 is false, then it will come to else. Inside else also I'm using if with a condition 3. So if condition 3 is true, then it will execute indented block of code. So this is nested if or inner if within else parts. Okay, right. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. I want to check whether a given number is positive number, negative number or 0, including even number, odd number, using nested if statement. So input, enter any integer value, positive, negative or 0, convert that into integer and store that in num. Check if num greater than 0. If number is greater than 0, then print it as positive number. After that, also check if number divided by 0 divided by 2 remainder equal to 0. So if remainder equals to 0, then it print it as even number, else odd number. Okay, so here I'm using if else inside another if. Okay, so this is for positive case, even number, odd number. So if the number is not greater than 0, then there are chances that it can be negative number or 0. So if number is not greater than 0, it will come to else. This is outer else part. And here also I'm taking inner if else, nested if else. Okay, so if number equal to 0, print number is 0, else obviously it is a negative number. And finally end of the program. So save this, come to the prompt where you have saved the program and run it. Python nested if statement example1.py. So 10 is a positive number as well as even number. 11 positive number and also odd number. Okay, so if within if. Now let us go to 0 and negative number. So run the program. 0 else if number is 0, end of the program. So take a negative number, minus 11, else, and then again it will come to else, negative number end of the program. So this is how we are supposed to work with nested if statement in Python programming, which is if condition inside another if condition or else block. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.